everybody, today we are going to see some 10 brain gym exercises for your kids. So welcome back to my channel. Cross crawls. Instruct your child to move their left arm to the right leg and switch sides. This exercise helps release excess stress in kids with the possibility of concentration improvement, resulting in an effective focus on studies. The second one, use your right leg and touch it with the left hand, and use your left leg and touch it with the right hand. The slow lateral movement enhances the attention span of your child and mental coordination. This is a third one. You can do it from the front. Lazy 8s. Instruct your child to draw the figure 8 multiple times, either an imaginary one in the air or on a piece of paper. The exercise activates your kid's creative side and loosens the muscles of his arm and wrist. This exercise also helps improve your kid's reading speed, eye-muscle coordination. The Lazy 8's brain gym exercise helps improve concentration and balance. Double Doodle. This bilateral drawing activity requires your kid to sketch two images with both his hands. The activity encourages your kids' learning skills and improves spelling accuracy, math calculation speed, and recognition of writing symbols. This is a great brain gym activity for kids. The elephant. Instruct your child to stretch one of his hands and place it near the same-sided ear. By rotating the extended hand, he needs to make the symbol infinity in the air at least 3 times and vice versa. The movements activate your kid's mind and body balance and encourage the brain to listen to the words correctly. It improves your kids' thinking ability, increases the ability to pay attention to detail, and is great as a short and long-term memory booster. Use the extended hand and make infinity symbol in the air at least 3 times. The owl. Ask your child to sit comfortably and bring one of his hands to the opposite shoulder. By holding the hand steady, he has to pinch the shoulder around the trapezius muscle. Your kid should now turn his head towards the direction of the pinched shoulder and take a deep breath. The exercising posture and range of motion improves the blood circulation and improves your child's attention and memory. The active arm. Have your child stretch one of his arms, and the other arm should be held at a right angle to hold the extended arm in a firm position. This exercise strengthens your kid's upper chest and shoulders. It activates your kid's brain, betters hand-eye coordination, and tool controlling skills. Studies say that it also increases sleep quality. The gravity glider. While sitting straight on a chair, your child must stretch his legs and cross the right leg over the left at the ankles. Taking a deep breath, he should now lean forwards and stretch the arm to reach up to the feet. The gravitational glider stretches your kid's hamstring and enhances blood and oxygen flow. The exercise boosts your kid's self-expression, confidence, and stability. You can also change your legs, and you can continue to do this for 5 times. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you. Earth buttons. Instruct your child to either stand or sit down comfortably. He should place the right hand on the lips and the palm of the left hand over the navel position. Now he needs to rub both the upper and lower body parts in a small circular motion. The Earth Buttons exercise helps improve mental alertness and whole body orientation. The thinking cap. Your child has to hold both the ears with his thumbs and the index fingers of both hands and roll and unroll the outer edge of the ear. Thinking cap helps to improve hearing, peripheral vision, and short-term memory. This is a closer view, so you can look at this, how exactly this is done. Hookups. Your child can either perform the exercise while standing, sitting, or lying down. Have him cross the left ankle over the right one, intertwine the fingers and place them near the chest and breathe deeply. This exercise promotes mind and body relaxation. You can change your legs and continue to do this for 3 times. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification icon for more updates on parenting. Thanks for watching.